panoorin natin yung CS Knights versus Selection Championship highlights, both teams. And ayun guys, kung makikita nyo rito, nag-warm up na yung both teams kasi nag-awarding pa naman for the Battle of the Third. And ang nanalo nga is Rapido versus ME Good Boys. So ayun guys, enjoy watching. Umugtong, pass to Masan, Masan jump for 3, Masan 3 points. Masan naghanap ng mapapasahan pero bumelo lang pala. Jump for 3. Long 3 yun by Masan. Masan again. Ayun, grabe yun. Oh, what a move by Masan mga kaibigan. Slow mo pa daw. Another replay. Hey. And pass to Galliano. Galliano, jump for 3. 3 points by Galliano. Yun, shoutout daw. Sabi nila niya, tignan natin. Isa lang yung pumasok. Ayan na nga, na-steal ni Masan to Santillan. Santillan, 2 points by Santillan. Gillard, wala. Nakuha dito ni Masan. Masan, binababa ang bola. Pass to Santillan. Santillan, 2 points by Santillan. Umugtong. Pass to Masan. Long 3. Pasok yun. Out of 3. Pinasa kay Masan. Grabe yun. What a play. 3 points by Masan. Galliano, pass to Masan. Masan, long 3. Masan, 3 points. Masan again. Pass to Creencia. 2 points by Creencia ng 4th quarter. Masan, long 3. Masan, 3 points.